Because I'm wipe off the slipsy. I'm leaving now. I usually wipe it off, but it's gonna take a lot of time. Tomorrow, Daddy. Tomorrow's also. Tomorrow, where are you going?
Ja, dan zit je dus voor 7 again. I must carry my like this. Like this.
Done books.
Oh, go.
I don't know if the call is making. Why? It's the problem here in front. See the bird I was So yeah, it's quite a bit quiet as you can see this morning, and you probably hear the cars on. Yeah, it's the speedometer. Of course, we need a speedometer, and we're about to get in the car. There's some people here. As you can see, I'm getting up in the cold. I actually really forgot something in the car. This will leave now. Yeah. I'm gonna get in the car now. We're in the car. We're driving.